Paul Lobo from Kavalasi. I was a member of Aam Aadmi Party, Goa. I was a coordinator for Kavalasi, and I was a ex-spokesperson for South Goa for Aam Aadmi Party. But today I am resigning along with my supporters from Aam Aadmi Party, and also my wife. She is a present Panch member of village Panchayat Kavalasi, and she was a ex-deputy sarpanch of Kavalasi. केजरीवालाक तपासपाची गरज आहा. म्हाका दिसता हो केजरीवाल आल्लोलो आसा तकलेन. घडये तो आल्लोलो आसा ते तुमी चेक करात. हो घडये ताका कितें पडलेलें आसा तुमी चेक करात. बट डोंट quote such type of allegations and don't quote misconduct कोणाका गोंयकारांक घुसपाय नाका. एरोगन्सी जी चलता न्हू थोडे जाणां that has to be stopped. You should be polite in politics. तूं एरोगंट घेवन हे व्हडें ही भास मुखार चलची ना. लोक सांगतलो तुमकां यू क्वेश्चन यू गिव क्वेश्चनर टू द पीपल ऑफ बेनावली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. ते सांगतले पूण कितको आम कन्विन्स केले ते. पूण सगळो लोक म्हणटा मेजर डेव्हलपमेंट कांय जालना. मेजर डेव्हलपमेंट कांयच जालना.
The agenda of Kejriwal, I can see, is to destroy Goa.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.